Everybody, welcome to Watch Me Practice Trading. This is the March Market Madness edition, episode number 19. We've done 18 prior sessions, recording sessions, videos, whatever you want to call it. And this is a series of 31. So we're a little bit more than halfway through this over here. And what I'm doing is doing 31 sessions, basically one for each day in March, approximately. And, we'll see where we wind up. We start off with 35,000 on March 1st. So that was the first day in this session that we traded. And then we did about 8 sessions for March 1st. Then we went to March 2nd where we did, like 10, 9, 10, something like that. And we are now on March 3rd. So that's Friday. We did Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And the first session was right at market open at 8:30. It went for just shy of half an hour, and we will continue where we left off at 8:59 a.m. So we're 1 minute before 9 o'clock. And we start off with 35,000, and we're up 52,729, which puts us at a total of 87,729 for the week. That's basically like a little bit over 2 days of trading. So we are trading NQ on Tradeovate. Let's start this up and see where it goes with this session here. I'm going to pause this right away so I can get kind of like a lay of the land from the last session, because that was filmed. Actually, it was today, but it was a couple hours ago. So let's kind of take a look. I want to not let a 9 o'clock roll by just in case it goes a little crazy. So we are, let's see, up here at 12,188. So we're just shy of 200. Looks like we wicked up to 200, and then we hit the brakes on it. So let's see, at 9 o'clock, are we going to tear through that or what? Don't quite know. We've got some levels right above and below. So these are levels from earlier. We'll remove some of these because we don't need them anymore. And then this is weekly open at 12,000. I put these destination circles here, ellipses. Basically, at the time when I drew this at the beginning of market open at 8:30, I thought it was either going to come down here and test the weekly open, or it would go up in this range right here. So at least right now, we are on track to head up here, right? More so than down there, but that can change, right? It can change at a moment's notice. And what we'll do is we have these levels down here, instead of just drawing or moving that one, because I usually just shift them around, I'm going to leave these down here, and I'm going to put one more level in here right there. And then maybe like one right here. Okay. So we've got 2 levels above us. One is just above 200, then one is over at 233. If we break through these levels here, so right now we're at 200. If we go to 208, then 233, man, I'd say we're probably on track to go a bunch higher. Wait, who's this guy here? So that's, let's just mark this one right here since we're at it. So we marked 3 levels above us, just key zones, because I know I'm not going to look to the left later on. Then let's take a look at this guy here. So this is 5 minute, 1 hour. Then these are tick charts over here. I mean, we're clearly long. Yes, I think it's long. Let's spread this out a little bit. So some strong moves here in the past 2 hours, approximately. Then here, let's Let's look at this. We've got opening range. That's going to be dialed in about half an hour. We've got the low down here at 110. That's 100 points below us, right? Below this. And where's the 50? The 50 is like right here at 155. Okay. Fair enough. So in the intermediate time here, I mean, we hit 200, we bounced off of it, came back down. We were in position. We had a pretty good trade going. I think it went up like 60, 70 points, hit up here, and then kind of dialed back here. And we lost about 15 points when we got taken out. So I think we're on track to come up here. Let's see how many times we're going to test this before we go up. And, it might bounce off it one more time, maybe go up on the third time because it's been a pretty strong move. It's been testing things maybe like 3 times. So like here, 1, 2, third time went through. Is it going to bounce and then break through? Or is it going to maybe pull back down to here? So let's put in just a couple entries. We'll put one here. Should we put an early one? I mean, this is 10 points. If we get in, we'll average out here. Heck with it. At this point, we're just kind of trying to participate in this thing here. All right, with this one, let's see. I think we need to fire it up in order to see how many ticks there are because we haven't started yet. But, so we did have a red candle here that enveloped this one. So let's see where this one ends up. So let's, and then we're right here. Let's hit play and see what happens. So it did pick us up for 2, 3. Is that it? I really would like to go heavier. Okay, we got to break up above this. Can we go above 188 and hold it? Yes, we can. So we're in for 6. Oh, man. Look at that. 9 o'clock. Action. That's freaking nuts. Okay, let's see. Okay, really slowed down. I don't think there was any news on the 3rd. Look at those wicks. So it did push up above 200. Should I get out and start over? I don't really like this. Let's see. So that's 80. Where did we get in? Here, here. Oh, geez. Okay, we don't want to be any further under this. Or 6 grand under. We did profit like 11 just prior to this. So, or 10 and a half. So if we go any further, we're just going to wipe out all our gains from a little bit ago. Yeah, look at Big Red. Okay, this is our line in the sand. So the question is, if we get up to here, or when we get up to here, do we just bail on this whole thing and start over? Just in case there's more downside. I don't think there is. I'm thinking this craziness here at 9 o'clock, this wiki action maybe just shook people. Shook people out. So that was all like the reaction to that. We'll see. Okay, hold this. Now go back up above here. Okay, strong move up. Just needed to keep going. Recapture 152. Let's cancel this. Here it goes. Okay. This was probably the bottom here. It ripped down. Strong move up. Go back above 155, which is also the 50. So on the 5 minute, wiped out this guy. A little indecision here. Unfortunately, that's where we got in. This guy wiped out this candle. This guy almost is the same size as this one right now. And it's tracking up. It went past the 50. Touched the white line. It actually went to the open this morning, which was 133. So on this account, I can go up to 28 NQ. Okay, break 57, then 66. You can do it. So it recaptured everything. Switching to long. Just got to hold it. Looks like it's going to do it. Yeah, here's our move. Here we go. Oh, man. Keep going. Don't stop here. React and keep going. Nine 11, 9 12. Time wise. Struggle bus to break even. It just amazes me. Like wherever your break even is, it usually struggles right there. How do you like get your break even to always hit those levels? Well, at least it seems like it most of the time that it just struggles to get through them. So pretty strong move. It's riding the ATR. Let's be patient with this. So there's a struggle zone here. I think we'll be clear up to 200. Slowing down here at 88. Here we don't want to cut all of those. Let's see. Let's drop 5 right here. A little bit down. Because I don't think we've taken any profits. What do we got left? 17. Okay, we're hitting our target area. Those lines didn't carry over. So we've got our first line at like 210. So we expected a reaction there and we got it. It's pulling back. $15 almost from 9:30. So if it pulls back, I don't think it'll get below 169. So we're just going to give this one lots of room. Let's see, where do we get in? 6 here. So we dropped these, right? Except one. We got one here. Still. You know what? Let's sell one real quick. So we're down to 16. So I've been trying to get better with not pulling all my profits off. So we'll see. I mean, we've got this level here, right? It's building a level. Hopefully it stays above it. So where is that? That's 194. Okay, so it's right at the top of this candle. It looks like it's making another push up. But then it needs to break 200. And looks like it's edging up. Is this the move right here? Get through this. Let's draw a line. Even better, let's do a box. Just move that out of the way. I didn't put that anywhere specific. We're still thinking up in here. Oh, it's going to roll over and rip down again. Nine minutes. I'm going to recapture the top half here and break 200. You can do it. So that is a green. So two greens. We're currently red. 209 is the high. So that's like up here. Come on, recapture momentum long. These two momentum lines are really tightening up on here. Look at these wicks. A lot of indecision here. Well, I mean, people are deciding. It's not indecision. But let's see. How long has this been going? 30 minutes. We'll tighten this up. So if this rips, we'll just get taken out. Keep our profits and do the next show. Nice. Holy smokes. You didn't have to stop there. You can keep going. So this line where it happened to stop, I just put that there arbitrarily. It didn't, wasn't there for any specific reason. I just moved it out of the way. There was a line just below it at 209, and then there's one at 32. So we'll put this line right below this box just in case it comes down here and wants to test it. If it goes into it, we'll just get taken out. Then what do we got? None of our lines transferred over here. So there should be one right here at like 32. So let's move this one up. Right there. Oh, what's going on now? We are coming down. So it's holding this 212. Holy smokes. So if it gets up here, let's take 4 off. So right now it's at 24. I don't think there was anything really significant at 24. There's a 33. Yeah. I'm thinking it's more up. Oh. Oh wait, we don't want to do that. We want to do 16. Yeah, I probably pulled back just to test this and this. Right? Overshoot or down here at 9. Here, if it comes down here, we'll let it take us out. And we'll restart. Here, recapture like 14, 15. So we got a 10-point trail. Or no, it's more. 16. But yeah, 12 point. No. Yeah, 12. So can it break 25? Or reaction at 25 now. So we're still long, 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 long. And then your opening range high is going to get locked here in a couple seconds. And we might have some crazy movement. So I'm prepared to bail on everything here. So what's interesting is how it got right here, right at 9:30. Here, it just took one off. Yeah, pressure to go down. So is this the 9:30 reaction crowd pushing it down, and then here, let's move this. This is kind of dangerous to do. Move this right here. Just underneath. Red. Back up, push down, red, green. Let's do another green. That might be red though. I have a feeling we're going to get taken out here anytime now. Here, I think at this point, if it breaks under 14, we want to get out. Oh, it took us out. Let's see, what do we have left? 11. Okay, hold this. Here, I think we're going to get out. Okay. All right, that's good. Oh, now it's going to turn around, isn't it? It's okay. We did pretty good for 40 minutes. 20,696. Okay, so we'll pause this here. It's 9:34 a.m. and we'll continue at like 9:35 a.m. on session 20. So I would, let's see, looking back at this, I would kind of I don't like how the beginning went. I would rate this like a D, maybe. Because we got in here, it pulled back a lot further than I anticipated. Still momentum long. I was expecting a reversal if it went any further, because it did a check over here. Which one was it? Or is it a 5-minute check? I don't remember now. Yeah, it was a 5-minute check on the white line. If it went any further, I would have had to cut it, because then it was probably going down to the daily open or the weekly open. It would have reversed. It was at a position where we made like almost 11,000 in the first half hour. So I was sort of okay with being a little riskier, because I'd still be positive for the day, even if we took a $5, $6, $10,000 hit in that beginning one. It would have sucked. It would have wiped out all our profits, but thankfully this actually worked out okay. And then when I saw the bottom here, I did add a little bit down here. I shouldn't have added along the way here. That wasn't very good. Actually, I should have gotten out, but hindsight is 2020, I guess. But then I think I did a pretty good job of holding on as it went up over here. One thing I get with these videos is that when it gets like 40, 45 minutes, especially, actually, as soon as it gets over half an hour, I kind of like want to cut it so that we can do another trade in another video. It did kind of stall here a little bit, right? For the last, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. So maybe this is going to be more downside over here than right now. I mean, we'll find out in the next video. But, I mean, it's pretty good, right? Over 20,000 here in this. Oh, wow. 100% green trades. That's surprising. So I guess we sold everything in profit when we got out of it. So that's pretty sweet. All right. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you in number 20, releasing soon.